Hello children, now I am going to teach you how to write letter B. Letter B. First we will trace this letter. This is letter B. Take different colors and trace the letter B. Okay, now here once again writing here B. 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 Okay, now again writing here dotted B here. I'm going to trace it. Now can write here B. Okay, now here B. B. Now going to write alone here B. 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 Other one here B. B. B for ball. B for ball. This is letter B. Now you know to write letter B. Thank you very much.